My name is Emily Grace Barnes and I am on the Level 3 Creative Media course. I've always wanted to do game design. Like, growing up playing games, it's always been like a big interest of mine. So we've learnt how to 3D model. We've been rigging characters and creating environments for games. And the video editing side of the course, we have been making music videos and short films. We're using Maya to 3D model, and we're using Adobe Premiere Pro for the video editing. The second year of the course we are learning coding, but the first year is more the art side of game designing. I wasn't the best on the computer, so this has really helped my computing skills. Both the tutors for both half of the courses are really nice. They're helpful at whenever you ask a question, they just come and help you and explain everything very well. Our video editing teacher, he's made a lot of music videos for well-known bands. Next year, we're actually making games, so we'll be in groups making a 2D game and a 3D game that we have to present to the class, so that'll be fun. I would love to work for a company that creates games, and I like the 3D modelling side of making the environments of games, so I'd love to go into that. I'm doing work experience at the moment with a video editing charity, and they've asked a group of us to film and edit little clips for them.